Welcome back with yet another video on TrickyHortiAgri. Today we are going to discuss second part of previous year question paper of MSc Food Science and Technology, BHU Entrance Examination year 2017. I have divided it in two parts. In this video we are going to discuss the second part. First part of the paper contains 60 questions. You can watch the video by clicking on the link given in description box. And today we will discuss the remaining portion. So let's get started, guys. Today's first question is, headquarters of the Food and Agriculture Organization is located at, your options are Geneva, New Delhi, Rome and New York. So answer of this question is option number 1, Geneva. Headquarters of the Food and Agriculture Organization is located at Geneva. Next question is, which of the following pair is not correctly matched? Answer of this question is option number 2, cutting and strawberry. It is not correct. Next question is, the force of attraction that bind the molecules of the same kind is called. Options are adhesion, metric force, cohesion and none of these. Answer of this question is option number 3, cohesion. Now what is cohesion? It is the sticking together of particles of the same substance. As like example, the water molecules which are stick together. Next question is, the anti-sterility vitamin is, options are vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin E and vitamin D. So answer of this question is vitamin E, option number 3. Vitamin E is called anti-sterility vitamin. It is so called because of its property of boosting sexual health in men and women, and it is widely used for treating sterility related issues. Next question is, International Institute of Horticulture is situated in, options are Italy, Brazil, India and China. Answer of this question is option number 2, Brazil. International Institute of Horticulture is situated at Brazil. Next question is, the oil and protein content of groundnut are, options are 20% and 50%, 26% and 45%, 45% and 26% and 50% and 26%. So answer of this question is option number 3, 45% and 26%. Oil and protein content of groundnut. Next question is, Agriculture and Processed Food Products Export Development Authority (APEDA) came in existence in, options are 1975, 1980, 1985 and 1990. So answer of this question is option number 3, 1985. APEDA came in existence in 1985. Next question is, which of the following fruit is most suited for preparation of marmalade? Options are lychee, guava, orange and mango. Answer of this question is option number 3, orange. Marmalade is a fruit preserve made from the juice and peel of citrus fruit, boiled with sugar and water. Next question is, which of the following sugars is sweetest? Your options are galactose, glucose, fructose and sucrose. Answer of this question is option number 3, fructose. Fructose is the sweetest of the naturally occurring sugars. Fructose is monosaccharide, which is one of the simplest form of sugar, that is can't be broken down into more basic sugar units. Other common monosaccharides are as like glucose and galactose. Next question is, the medicinal plant known as second shilajit is, options are asparagus, safed musli, kalmek and isabgol. So answer of this question is option number 2, safed musli, which is known as second shilajit. Next question is, Zero energy cool chamber operate on the principle of, your options are second law of thermodynamics, evaporative cooling, Boyle's law, and Charles' law. Answer of this question is option number second, evaporative cooling. Evaporative cooling is a process that uses the effect of evaporation as a natural heat sink. The principle underlying evaporative cooling is the fact that water must have heat applied to it to change from a liquid to a vapor. When evaporation occurs, this heat is taken from the water that remains in the liquid state, resulting in a cooler liquid. Next question is, which one of the following fruit grown in semi-wild farming wasteland of peninsular India in one of the largest foreign exchange earners? Your options are coconut, mango, cashew, and banana. Answer of this question is option number third, cashew. Next question is, oleoresin is extracted from, your options are onion, garlic, chili, and fenugreek. So answer of this question is option number third, chili. Oleoresin is extracted from chili. Next question is, in India, date is harvested at, options are doka stage, dang stage, pind stage, and all of these. These all are the stages of date palm. Answer of this question is option number first, doka stage. Doka stage of date palm is when the fruit is 50% ripe fruit and yellowish in color. Next question is, site of protein synthesis in a cell is, your options are ribosomes, endoplasmic reticulum, chloroplast, and mitochondria. Answer of this question is option number first, ribosomes. Ribosomes are site of protein synthesis in a cell. Next question is, who discovered X-ray first? Your options are Wilson, Roentgen, Benger, and Muller. Answer of this question is option number second, Roentgen, who discovered the X-ray first. Next question is, aflatoxins are produced by, your options are yeast, bacteria, molds, and nematodes. Answer of this question is option number third, molds. Molds are produced aflatoxins. Aflatoxins area family of toxins produced by certain fungi that are found on agricultural crops such as maize, pecanut, cotton seeds, and tree nuts. The main fungi that produce aflatoxins are Aspergillus flavus and Aspergillus parasiticus, which are abundant in warm and humid region of the world. Next question is, among cucurbits, which fruit is richest in iron content? Options are muskmelon, watermelon, bottle gourd, and bitter gourd. Answer of this question is option number second, watermelon. It is the richest source of iron among cucurbits. Next question is, pungency in onion is due to the presence of, your options are allyl propyl disulfide, diallyl disulfide, isothiocyanate, and capsaicin. Answer of this question is option number first, allyl propyl disulfide, which is present in onion and cause pungency. Next question is, which of the following is not a biopesticide? Your options are bioneem, biolep, dipel, and carbaryl. Answer of this question is option number fourth, carbaryl. It is not a biopesticide. Other than carbaryl, all three are biopesticides, but carbaryl is a chemical pesticide. Next question is, which of the following is a phenolic factor present in onion having antifungal properties? Your options are quercetin, catechol, sinigrin, allyl propyl disulfide. Answer of this question is option number second, catechol. Next question is major pest of potato during storages. Your options are cutworms, aphids, jezids, and potato tuber moth. Answer of this question is potato tuber moth. Option number 4. Next question is which vitamin is called coagulating vitamin? Options are vitamin A, vitamin E, vitamin K, and vitamin C. Answer of this question is option number 3, vitamin K. Vitamin K is known as coagulating vitamin. Vitamin K is one of the fat-soluble vitamins. It helps with blood clotting. The major source of vitamin K is found in green plants. This form is called phyloquinone. Next question is the pest which attack the pulses both in fields and at storage. Options are pulse beetle, gram pod beetle, red gram pod fly, and pod borer. So answer of this question is option number 1, pulse beetle. Pulse beetle is a pest which attack the pulses both in fields and at storage also. Next question is the first Indian scientist who collected and identified fungi in India. Your options are E.J. Butler, K.R. Kirtikar, J.F. Dastoor, and K.C. Mehta. Answer of this question is option number 2, K.R. Kirtikar. K.R. Kirtikar was the first Indian who identified and collected fungi in India. But we should know E.J. Butler, who is also known as the father of plant pathology in India, initiated an exhaustive study of fungi and disease caused by them in 1901 at Imperial Agricultural Research Institute at Pusa, Bihar. But answer of this question is K.R. Kirtikar, not E.J. Butler. Next question is which of the following cannot synthesize protein by own enzymes? Your options are bacteria, mycoplasma, RLO, and virus. Answer of this question is option number 4, virus. Next question is mad cow disease is caused by. Your options are virion, prions, bacteria, and amylo. Answer of this question is option number 2, prions. Prions. These are the misfolded proteins with the ability to transmit their misfolded shape onto a normal variants of the same proteins. Mad cow disease is a brain disorder in adult cattle. Next question is which one of the following cannot be detected by ELISA technique? Options are virus, bacteria, viroid, and fungus. Answer of this question is option number 3, viroid. Now we should know that ELISA test. What is ELISA test? It is an enzyme linked immunosorbent assay, also called as ELISA or EIA. It is a test that detects and measures antibodies in your blood. This test can be used to determine if you have antibodies related to certain infectious conditions. Next question is the strongest bond is. Options are ionic bond, covalent bond, hydrogen bond, and van der Waals bonds. Answer of this question is option number 2, covalent bond. What is covalent bond? Covalent bond is a molecular bond, which is a chemical bond that involves the sharing of electronic pairs between atoms. As like example, methane, carbon dioxide, and iodine monobromide. Next question is latent heat of fusion ice to water is. Your options are 540 calorie, 620 calorie, 80 calorie, and 40 calorie. Answer of this question is option number 3, 80 calorie. Latent heat. I have already told in first part that what is latent heat. So you should know that the latent heat is a heat that required to convert a solid into a liquid or vapor, or a liquid into a vapor without change of temperature is latent heat. You can see its example in first part. Next question is, which of the following is deficient in rice grain? Your options are lysine, glycine, isoleucine and alanine. Answer of this question is option first, lysine, deficient in rice grain. Next question is, the process of breakdown of large molecules to small molecule which often release energy is known as. Your options are anabolism, catabolism, both 1 and 2 and none of these. Answer of this question is catabolism. Next question is, wavelength of visible light is. Your options are 260 nanometer to 350 nanometer, 360 nanometer to 760 nanometer, 390 nanometer to 760 nanometer and 400 nanometer to 700 nanometer. We should know the answer is wavelength of visible light is 390 nanometer to 760 nanometer. So answer of this question is option number 3rd. Next question is, most dangerous gas for depletion of ozone layer is. Options are chlorine, CFC, benzene and CO2. Answer of this question is CFC, option number 2. Next question is, among of the following which has antioxidant property? Options are quinones, tocopherols, phenols and sorbitols. Answer of this question is option number 2nd, tocopherols. It's also known as the tocopherol acetate, tocopherol acetate or vitamin E acetate. In these antioxidants help to protect your body from damaging compounds called free radicals. Normally free radicals form when your body converts food into energy. Next question is, respiratory quiescent RQ for carbohydrates is approximately. Your options are 0.5, 1.0, 1.33 and 0.7. We should note that respiratory quiescent, it is the ratio of the volume of the CO2 equal to that of oxygen consumed by an organism, tissue or cell in a given time. It is a dimensionless number used in calculation of basal metabolic rate (BMR) when estimated from the carbon dioxide production. So value of RQ for lipids is 0.7, for protein is 0.8 and for carbohydrate it's 1.0. So answer of this question is option number 2nd, 1.0. Next question is, the end product of glycolysis is. Your options are glucose, sucrose, pyruvic acid and NADH. We should know that in glycolysis, 2 molecules of pyruvic acid is prepared from 1 molecule of glucose. So answer of this question is option number 3rd, pyruvic acid. It is the end product of glycolysis. Next question is, Krebs cycle produces. Your options are 18 ATP, 30 ATP, 32 ATP and 36 ATP. Answer of this question is option number 2nd, 30 ATP. Next question is, cellulose is a polymer of. Options are beta D glucose, alpha D glucose, beta L fructose and alpha D galactose. Answer of this question is option number 1st, beta D glucose. Cellulose is a polysaccharide and formed by the linkage of beta 1,4 linkage of the glucose unit. Next question is, greenhouse gas for global warming is. The options are O2, CH4, SO2 and CO2. Answer of this question is CO2, carbon dioxide. Next question is, unit of pressure in SI system. Options are atmosphere, dynes per square centimeter, Pascal and mm for mercury. mm of mercury. Answer of this question is option number 3rd, Pascal. It is a unit of pressure in SI system. Next question is, coconut fat is a rich source of. Options are palmitic acid, stearic acid, lauric acid, and ricinoleic acid. Answer of this question is option number 3, lauric acid. Next question is temperature of LTLT pasteurization of milk is, options are 61 degrees centigrade to 63 degrees centigrade, 42 degrees centigrade to 49 degrees centigrade, 62 degrees centigrade to 65 degrees centigrade, 51 degrees centigrade to 65 degrees centigrade. Answer of this question is option number 1, 61 degrees centigrade to 63 degrees centigrade. LTLT pasteurization. LTLT involves heating the milk to 62.5 degrees centigrade or 144.5 degree Fahrenheit and holding this for 30 minutes. LTLT full form is low temperature long time treatment. Next question is rickets is caused due to the deficiency of, your options are vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin A and vitamin B12. Answer of this question is vitamin D. Next question is milk sugar is, options are lactose, maltose, glucose and sucrose. Answer of this question is option number 1, lactose. Milk sugar is lactose. Next question is which of the following state of India produces maximum quantity of fish? Options are West Bengal, UP, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Answer of this question is option number 1, West Bengal. West Bengal is a state of India produces maximum quantity of fish. Next question is eggshell is made up of, options are CaOH को whole twice, calcium hydroxide, calcium phosphate, calcium carbonate and calcium oxide. Answer of this question is option number 3, calcium carbonate. Next question is quantity of egg can be judged by, options are candling, annealing, temperature test and pH. Answer of this question is option number 1, candling. Candling is done in a darkened room with the egg held before a light. Eggs are candled to determine the condition of the air cell, yolk and white. Candling detects bloody whites, blood spots or meat spots and enable observation of germ development. So answer of this question is candling. Next question is white revolution related to, your options are cotton, milk, rice and sheep. Answer of this question is option number 2, milk. Next question is yellow color of egg is due to, options are carotene, anthocyanin, vitamin B and xanthophyll. Answer of this question is option number 4, xanthophyll. Next question is hormone from milk secretion is, options are oxytocin, ACH, prolactin and TSH. Answer of this question is option number 3, prolactin. Next question is crude fiber contained in rogues is approximately, options are 18% to 20%, 30% to 32%, 25% to 27% and 35% to 37%. Answer of this question is 18% to 20%. Crude fiber contained in rogues in approximately 18% to 20%. Enzyme coagulating milk product is, options are paneer, dahi, cheese and chana. Answer of this question is option number 3, cheese. Next question is lactic acid content in fresh cow milk is, options are 0.10%, 0.15%, 0.20% and none of these. Answer of this question is 0.10%. Lactic acid content in fresh cow milk is 0.10%. Next question is pH of fresh buffalo milk is, Options are 4.6, 5.6, 6.6 and 7.6. Answer of this question is option number 3, 6.6. pH of fresh buffalo milk is 6.6. Which of the following vitamins remains most resistant on heat treatment of milk? Options are vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin B1 and vitamin B12. Answer of this question is option number 1, vitamin A. Vitamin A is most resistant on heat treatment of milk. Next question is estrogen, progesterone and relaxin hormones are secreted from. Options are ovary, adrenal, pituitary and thyroid. Answer of this question is option number 1, ovary. Estrogen, progesterone and relaxin hormones are female hormones. These are secreted from ovary. Next question is hormone secreted from pancreas that lowers down blood sugar level is. Options are glucagon, insulin, epinephrine and relaxin. Answer of this question is insulin. Next question is out of the total body calcium, bone and teeth have. Options are 79%, 89%, 93% and 99%. Answer of this question is 99%. Total body calcium, bone and teeth have 99%. Next question is which one of the following is not a bacterial disease? Your options are rinderpest, hemorrhagic spectropenia, anthrax and black quarter. Answer of this question is rinderpest. Rinderpest is not a bacterial disease. It is a viral disease, also known as cattle plague or steppe murine. It is an infectious viral disease of cattle, domestic buffalo, and many other species of the buffalo, deer, and wild beasts. Other than rinderpest, all three are bacterial diseases. So guys, that's all for today. If you like the video, let me know in the comment section. If you have any query, you can ask regarding the questions also. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for more related videos. Thank you guys.